Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, when you find the Gaza station, welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a shape on the block in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is what we mean by extracting social change through applied pressure. The government has announced that they will remove or reassign permanent secretaries attached to the Ministry of Justice, viewers and subscribers, and also reassign the Justice Minister himself. Viewers and subscribers, if you feel like Vybz Kartel case highlight a whole heap corruption in the justice system and the government overall, viewers and subscribers, empty a clip of likes on the vlog now. If you feel like them have the baddest dancehall artists and co-accused behind the bars while they are innocent and should be released, empty a clip of likes on the video now. Now, the official statement, viewers and subscribers, is that the two permanent secretaries are to be reassigned shortly as the government attempts to fill key public administration vacancies since the new cabinet was installed last September. Why just now? Because of the applied pressure, viewers and subscribers. One thing for sure, since Vybz Kartel case went to trial and was appealed, awareness and also concern for that particular ministry has definitely increased. Now, the permanent secretary is one of them will leave Delroy Chuck and the Justice Ministry and work with Ardisha in the investment and commerce. Now, keep in mind, protected by the Constitution, a permanent secretary or permanent secretaries are the most powerful public servants in government. Now, think about it, viewers and subscribers. Delroy Chuck is a QC. And they are removing this individual. No confirmation of who will now control that particular ministry. But them know freedom is a must. And the comet is on its way. Some of them are drum ship. They might try shuffle the deck. And quick side note, viewers and subscribers. Some have asked why we are so confident that the UK will be concerned about our constitutional rights as citizens. Did you know that? First and foremost, the Constitution of Jamaica was drafted in 1962, between 61 and 62, and approved by the United Kingdom. England approved the Constitution under the West Indies Act. That's why we still have a Governor General. And as I say, viewers and subscribers, this administration has been rocked with numerous high-profile situations, viewers and subscribers, from money going missing, to the justice system not working, to the security system or the security forces asking her just the whole fiasco where take place locally. Now, for those who are not in the know, they show you how important and powerful the Ministry of Justice is to government. Now, the Ministry of Justice encompasses the court system, viewers and subscribers, the same court system that was highlighted by Vybz Kartel case. Meaning, only for people did I say, yo, only for corruption are going. But Vybz Kartel's case and certain different aspects definitely highlighted that and proved it to the public. Now, the Ministry of Justice also encompasses the prosecuting office, the ODPP. And boy, the people them have a lot to say about that particular office. Would they ever want to get into it? Numerous calls for the people on that particular office to be shuffled. Instead, extensions were given, and the same faces will continue to be the same faces. Them over there sing Bob Marley song, so we got tired to see them face. I use dancehall music and reggae music to mock with viewers and subscribers. The Ministry of Justice also encompasses the offices of executive authority, like the Attorney General, viewers and subscribers. They also provide legal advice to all government departments. Meaning this particular ministry, viewers and subscribers, has some form of influence over every other ministry. Every single ministry. Remember, viewers and subscribers, this is the office that gives the government legal advice. Remember, Ministry of Education, people in a ramp tell them so I'm going to sue them. You know we're going with the security forces already. We already know we are going with the same mining and investment sectors. So this is the office. We'll keep an eye on all of these different things to make sure that no legal repercussions occur. While on their watch, or on that particular minister's watch, and I am of the belief that it is not a single party. Yeah, when I believe say there's a single party way, or a party in particular will do these things. I feel like it is an agenda. That was my own personal feeling. It is an agenda. Meaning say, someone that is disrupting the status quo is disrupting the status quo for both parties. Because any party in power retains that kind of dominance or that authority in the country. So them no want nothing change. When a particular party in power, them want the same powers as the party before. Them not care what if the party before did have it. Them want to have it too. So I guess an individual who people have said call for change. Someone who people have seen as that change. Disrupt the status quo for all of them. Not citing though that the problem was created by them themselves, viewers and subscribers. Meaning they try to demonize the character of an individual, and as such it got the people thinking that should have never been their thought process. Them thought process should have more be like a first world country's thought process. To say yes, we know what he must say, but let's not make him a martyr for the cause because we know we're wrong. That is what they have done, viewers and subscribers. So them plan, as with some people, that's them who say that we are still, but them plan backfire what I feel and blow up in them faces, viewers and subscribers. That's why some people that say, so you have plan some things for yourself, you have plan some things for people, maybe you need to plan it for yourself. And at the same thing, that reach the system, viewers and subscribers. Not the particular government, just the system overall, the style of government. People have called for change for years, and they must say, they want change, we don't have to give them, we can dilly and dally. And the same style of governance has now followed around for earth and affect every single one of them. So one keep it. So recently in an election, one lose by a landslide, but never say win. The other party won by a landslide. Him lose by a landslide, but they not followed out for them. And them style of governance so them are used on the people for years. The people have been fed up, but no one see them again. And it's not like them they are workers, are government workers, meaning say we not see them face, but them can get them extensions, and for the most part people don't even know they exist. These are public representatives, member of parliament. While maybe them constituency might like them, the wider country are not in approval of their style of government. So what people now use them, viewers and subscribers. Boy, I know change will come like where Obama and them did say. Yeah, it might be for a different generation. But let me tell you this. Just like in the process of leaving or building a legacy, you can't think about the impact or what it will mean for you today, but rather what it will be tomorrow. So we'll put in place or we'll fight for the necessary changes today, so that by God blessing, we will have a better tomorrow, viewers and subscribers. So for all of the people who wonder why people lobby for change, why people call for change, while people try to, move certain legislation forward, it's not just necessarily for we, but for our sons and daughters, them we can forward up to the next generation and can live a comfortable life. Why you think you go so hard in your work? Well, we can't speak for another individual. But for me and most of the people we know, just like King Adi himself we do it for our family and our loved ones, so that them can have a better life, a better future. You know what I mean? Even upon the financial aspect of things. So we do our part. So that's how they are present to what needs to be presented, viewers and subscribers. The way it needs to be presented. By the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, by I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Yeah man, the like icon is in close proximity to the share icon, viewers and subscribers. You know more want to know for do? I want to know for drop a like, empty a clip of likes on the vlog, viewers and subscribers, and I want you to share the video and tell a friend to do the same, and tell them sister and them brother to check out and check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, it never lack yet. You have to just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, not my guidelines, but the guidelines of the comment section, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? But until the reason again, first and foremost, I move settings for my wanna need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course wanna live, love, and yes, prosper until the reason again.